Hey! This is Technology Enthusiast. If you've graduated as a mechanical engineer, or you are studying it, or you are deciding whether you should choose it as your career, this video is for you. Subscribe my YouTube channel and click bell icon to stay tuned for further videos. Let's begin by defining mechanical engineering. It deals with the design, construction and use of machines. In mechanical engineering, you design and develop new prototypes and samples for practical use. It is a highly versatile and diversified engineering discipline. Most of the people don't know actually what mechanical engineering is. They choose it because of merit position, especially in my country, I can say. Degrees in mechanical engineering include BSc or BS, Bachelor of Engineering, B.Tech, BSc Engineering, BME.etc. Job duties. Mechanical engineers are mainly concerned with the problem solving using mechanical and thermal devices. They design or redesign mechanical or thermal devices. They design samples and prototypes of different devices. They analyze different test results. They also take care of manufacturing process. Modern tools. We are living in age of science and technology. Today, we perform each experiment on computer using simulation and check it whether it works or not. Mechanical engineers also make use of it. There are many modern tools used by mechanical engineers which include CAE, CAD. AutoCAD is one of the commonly known, etc. Subdisciplines. Mechanical engineering is not a single discipline. It is a collection of many other subdisciplines including mechanics, robotics, structural analysis, thermodynamics, thermoscience, designing, drafting, etc. Specializations. Mechanical engineers may specialize in energy and sustainability, simulation-driven engineering, robotics and control, nanotechnology, engineering management, design and innovation, design and development. Recent inventions/developments. Let me give you some examples of recent inventions and developments. Today, vehicles and other transportation are becoming faster. In Japan, mechanical engineers have worked to make use of the typhoon for power generation. Now robots are replacing people. They can work for us 24 hours a day. Now we can print three-dimensional structures. Imagine a building which took months or years to be constructed will require few days. All credit to mechanical engineering. Modern researches. Now scientists are working on microfluidics. ME scientists have recently invented bandages which accelerate healing process. Artificial intelligence is also one of trending research area. We daily get heat from sun. ME scientists are working to generate power from this heat. We can conclude that ME is broadest engineering discipline. Its scope is everywhere. You can research a lot in it. Ending words. No tech without mech.